It was kind of funny. In my last fix video, I think I talked about how I had like this horrible dream that my stylist left. Well, she commented and she said, "Don't worry, Gretchen, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere." Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, today is a Stitch Fix video, but it's a sad one. No, I'm not ending it, so don't worry about that. If you remember several videos back, I don't even remember which one at this point, that I had a terrible nightmare that my stylist left me and that I had to have a new one. My stylist said, "Don't worry, that's not happening." Guess what happened? My stylist is no longer styling. That's right, Amba D is no longer my stylist. I'm pretty sure she's not anyone else's stylist. So yes, in my note, it says, "Hi Gretchen, happy fix day. Your regular stylist, Amber, is no longer available to style." And that's how the note starts off. So I'm a little heartbroken about it. It sounds kind of silly, but you know, I feel like I've lost a close friend in a way, because Amba D had been styling me for 2 years. You know, this is fix number 27. She had been with me since the very beginning. I'm sad that she's no longer styling, especially since that means, you know, she knew my body, she knew my style, she knew what things I would like. So it's kind of sad to lose that, but I am hopeful. Who's to say that my next stylist won't be able to pick up where she left off. I'm looking forward to what fixes I get in the future, but I'm very sad that an end of a Stitch Fix era has come. Thanks for everything, Amba D, if you watch this. I really appreciated and enjoyed you being my stylist. So, with that being said, my new stylist name is Anna, and she picked me some items that she thought I would really like. She did look at my Pinterest board to kind of get an idea. I will say, this fix I'm not exactly blown away on. I will most likely only be keeping 1 out of 5 items just because the other things aren't really me. So this month I got 2 sleeveless tops, a romper, a dress, and a pair of shorts. I am keeping one of the sleeveless tops. Everything else will be going back because it's just not me. So I will start off with the item that I'm keeping. I must say I'm very excited to get this item because I wanted this one a few boxes ago, but Amba D couldn't find it. Luckily Anna was able to find it, and that is by Fortune and Ivy, or Fortune plus Ivy. I'm not sure. Is it and or plus? And it is the Chiya lace scalloped halter blouse. That's a mouthful. But it is this really pretty black lace scalloped. I don't even know if you'd consider this a sleeveless top. This is a halter top. I had been wanting this for a few fixes. I absolutely love this. As you all know, I am a sucker for lace, crochet, anything like that. Black is just my color. It's my go-to color for pretty much any occasion. The lace, I'm absolutely obsessed with. I had seen this in someone else's fix, I don't remember who now at this point, and so I was like, I have to have it. So luckily, I have it now. This is a size small, doesn't have much give to it, so probably runs true to size. And I really like this. Like, you could totally dress this up or dress this down. You could wear this with a pair of jeans, or you could wear it with some white pants. You could wear this with pretty much anything. I am so excited for this. So I will definitely be keeping this one. And this top runs for $38, which to me is a steal for something like this. So I am absolutely thrilled. So yes, I will be keeping this one. So the next 4 items I will not be keeping just because they're either not me or I don't know. I just didn't like how they looked on me. So the first one is the other sleeveless top. This one just, I don't know. I usually like graphic sleeveless tops because then I can like work out in them or do a bunch of cleaning around the house or just a lot of like lounge activities. But there are a few things that keep me from this top. One, well, let me show you it first. So it is this white graphic sleeveless top, and it says, "I'm a weekend lover," with a heart. Cute enough. It's $38, so it costs the same as the black lace halter top that I am keeping. I don't see how they're on the same playing field, both being $38. But this tank top, if you are interested, is by Chaser, and I'm gonna have to read the tag because it is so long. It is the Paenia Cotton Blend Weekend Lover Graphic Knit Top. People really need to get better names. It is a size small. It's very soft. It's very flowy. It's lightweight. Also very see-through, as you will see in my try video. It's extremely see-through. The only good thing for this would be around the house or maybe to the gym. But for $38, that's just an automatic no. As cute as the design is, I cannot justify $38 for this. I just can't. The next one I almost kept, but there's that one factor of why I'm not gonna keep it. And if you've watched my previous videos, you're gonna know what it is. But this pair of shorts is by STS Blue. It's the Eleonora Distressed Fray Hem Short. Now, my new stylist does not know my disdain for frayed hems. I like distressed, but I don't like frayed. So that is the main hold up there. It actually wasn't that bad on. I actually thought it was pretty cute, but I don't know. I don't like that frayed look. It's just not something that I truly love. It did have a little distressing, which I love, but I'm just not into that frayed hem look. These are, I love how it says size 26. That's waist. I'm size 2-4 depending on the brand. So it's saying it's a 2 on my sheet, even though it says 26 here. But it is the Aubrey short is like, I guess the style. The name of the short is the Eleonora Distressed Fray Hem Short. But these go for $39. So a pair of shorts is $1 more than that really casual tank top. That just blows my mind. I would have kept these because they're really comfortable, and $39 for a pair of shorts, that's pretty dang good. But the frayed, I can't get past the frayed. But they are really nice shorts, so if you are into the frayed, I would look into this one because they were pretty nice. The next item I really wanted to like because I want a romper so bad, but alas. So this is by Market and Spruce, which I love, and it pains me to send something by Market and Spruce back, but I'm going to have to. And this is the Ralphie knit romper. So the holdup for me is this putrid color. I don't even know what this is. It's like a mixture of purple and pink. It's disgusting. I hate it. If this was in any other color, like if this were a black, oh my God, I'd be all over this. It's got pockets, fabulous. It's super comfortable, like for a summer day. It's not exactly the most lightweight romper, but I mean, it's cotton, so it breathes. I love it. I love the back, like little keyhole back opening with the faux pearl, but this color is just atrocious. I can't stand it. I also think I could have done an extra small. Again, this new stylist doesn't know that certain items I can go down to an extra small because everything on my list is a small, because that's what my style profile says. But you know, Amba D got to know me after 2 years, knew that this probably could have been an extra small, and she could have sent that to me. I wanted to like it really bad, but that color. But this retails for $64. I mean, if you're into that color, I think it's worth it. Very comfortable, very flowy. I like the pattern on there, but just this color is, it's not quite Pepto-Bismol, but it's right up there with putrid. And the final item is the dress. Now this dress, I don't know what's going on with it. I just think because the material doesn't give, that it felt kind of tight to me. It is a small, so I don't know what's going on there. But this is also by Market and Spruce, which pains me to send back. And it is the Cruz button detail tie back dress in red, size small. So, cute enough dress. I like it, you know, it's got the little spaghetti straps, it's cute, like the little detailing with the buttons on the front. The back has a little opening right there, and it's a little tie and everything. It does not give at all. And the main reason why I'm sending it back is because it reminds me of a picnic. Don't try and tell me that this does not look like a picnic blanket that you lay down. It just reminds me of going on a picnic. And I'd rather not look like the picnic cloth. Someone tell me I'm not crazy, and that they also kind of get that vibe. There's absolutely no give in the girls region, so if you are big chested, unlike myself, you might want to size up because there's no give. There's a little bit of give in the back because of the stretchiness, but that's about it. Yeah, I mean, it's cute enough, but not cute enough for me to keep it. There's also no pockets, which is such a downer for already falling short in the picnic department. This retails for $68, also another reason why I'm not keeping it. But yeah, it'd be cute for a summer day. It's flowy enough. It's pretty lightweight. So there's that. It's very soft. Market and Spruce is always coming up with the soft items, which I love, but just It reminded me too much of a picnic. So, the grand total of everything here comes to $247. If I buy all items, get that 25% off, it would take $61.75 off, which would bring it down to $185.25. But then I also have credit for $25 because someone signed up with my referral link, which will be in the description below. So thank you to that person who did that. So it would bring it down to $160.25. However, I am not keeping everything, so that will not be my grand total. So the one item I'm keeping is the Scalloped halter top, which is $38. And because I do have the promo, minus 25, I'm only gonna be paying $13 for this fix, which quite honestly, my bank account is probably gonna thank me for. It sucks really bad that my stylist that I've had for 2 years is no longer with us, but I'm interested to see how Anna and I work together. You know, it took Amba D a while to figure out my style, to figure out my body. She did watch my videos, so I hope Anna will too. It's just, it's sad. You know, 2 years with the same stylist, and then just one day she's gone and I have no way to like thank her for what she did. Sad day, but I'm excited to see my future fixes. Let me know in the comments below what items or item was your favorite, which ones were your least favorite. It's not gonna hurt my feelings because obviously I'm not keeping everything. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys. I feel like I should play In the Arms of an Angel Far Away from Here. Oh, it just makes me think of ASPCA. We don't need that.